This is a message from the future. The day marks as the 8th of June 2050. If you receive this message in 2020, it means data transmission is now possible through time. I'm going to take you on a tour of the future. You look a bit confused, but let me explain. This virtual tour is for the purposes of your understanding of how life functions after 29 years and 11 months. We have had tremendous growth in the field of science and technology. The fusion of these forms have changed the way we live in the future. After the devastating effects from due to the COVID-19 pandemic, dropping economy, and riots against inequality led to the loss of many lives. The impact was so significant that it led to the foundation of the Lightyear mission under the supervision of all representatives from around the world. This project was initiated for the well-being of the future generation and the planet. In 2050, our planet is healthier than ever before. Technology has helped convert matter and data into the mind, and the way we see the world today has been revolutionized. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, and data mines have been created over the years. The Lightyear mission has converted normal homes into smart homes. You can now control your house from anywhere. Cleaning and maintaining houses has been hectic and financially draining until 2030. The concept of cleanliness has been revolutionized with the help of the Lightyear project. Tidy bots, a form of artificial intelligence, have been assured into every household. It takes care of your house not only by cleaning it, but also acts as a security system in case of a break-in or fire. It also uses its AI to fix technical or mechanical issues in a house. In the future, you will certainly enjoy having them in your homes. Roads are now safer than ever. With the help of the Lightyear mission, automated transportation is a new way of getting around places. This also includes public transportation. It's as easy as entering the location of where you want to go. Your car will take you there without you having to worry about driving. The new generation vehicles come in with built-in AI chips which communicates with other vehicles on the road to avoid accidents. Not only that, but the team of engineers also came together in 2038 to build underground tunnel roads in order to avoid traffic jams. With the help of underground roads, a 30-minute route now only takes 10 minutes to reach. Isn't that great? Hyperloops, also a concept that was introduced in the late 2014 period, is now all around the world. Easy and fast traveling is the way to go in 2050. Law and order have changed the way it used to take place in 2020 up till 2040. The police force has been replaced by robots. This is to avoid casualties and biased decision making. On a crime scene, robots will be dropped in order to protect victims if there are any and take down the offenders. Surveillance drones also make sure the city is running smoothly and report back to the robots in case of an emergency. With the help of science and technology, it is believed that after the year 2059, all newborn babies will be perfectly healthy. The medical industry has also been revolutionized. All diseases have a cure in 2050 and more vaccines are being developed every day. Prosthetic implants are better than ever. It can replace any body part that has been lost due to diseases or injuries. These implants are connected with the brain so that we can have control over the movements. Education is vital, but not everyone can afford tuition fees. The Lightyear mission aims at providing free education at all schools and universities. This has changed the face of primary, secondary, and tertiary schools. The walls of the classroom are no longer a barrier as technology enables new ways of learning, communicating, and working collaboratively. Education is available for everyone by the time you guys reach 2050. In the end, I would just like to say that the future has a lot to offer. New possibilities are getting introduced every day, and mankind is flourishing. This is the perfect future for you and your loved ones.